Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the end of day 8. So I am sure you must have heard about today's news that JEE will not be postponed and the admit cards are out now. So you can go and check your admit card. By the way, if you are interested, mine is on 2nd. So 2nd September, yeah. So today's day was not okay. So yeah, I will be honest with you. Today's day was not okay. So I was able to complete only 2.5 chapters. That too with not 100%. So I will have to do that again, but I will do that later. Important thing, from tomorrow onwards till JEE mains, that is on 2nd, I will be studying for 15 hours every day. Yeah. So what I currently what I used to do is 15 hour, and then the next day around 8 to 10 hours, and then 15 hours again. So yeah, I will be changing that, and from tomorrow onwards I will be trying to study for 15 hours every day. So yeah, I was distracted a bit today, so from tomorrow onward, I will try that either I study or I shoot YouTube video. That's it. So yeah, I will try to keep that as simple as that. So yep, all the best to everyone who is appearing on September, and yeah, that's it. So prepare well.